In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a black background in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're working on a professional project or just having fun editing personal photos, knowing how to manage backgrounds effectively can be crucial. Let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Photoshop. Once the software is up and running, import your image. You can do this by simply navigating to File in the top menu and then selecting Open. From there, locate the image file you want to work with and click Open. This brings your image into the Photoshop workspace where all the creative magic happens. Now that your image is loaded, the next step involves selecting the background you want to change. There are several tools available in Photoshop that can help with this task, including the Magic Wand tool and the Automatic Select feature. Using these tools, you can easily highlight the areas of the image that you want to remain untouched, leaving the background ready for editing. If you're not familiar with these tools, don't worry. The Magic Wand tool allows you to make selections based on color and tone similarities, which can be great for simple backgrounds. The Automatic Select feature is more intuitive, letting Photoshop do most of the work by selecting probable background areas and freeing up your time to refine the selection if needed. Once your background has been selected, it's time to add that sleek black background. Look towards the bottom of your Layers panel and you will see a small circle icon. Click on it and choose Solid Color from the pop-up menu. In the window that appears, you'll have a spectrum of colors to choose from. For this task, simply drag the color picker down to the bottom left corner to select black. Click OK to apply the color. You'll notice the selected background area instantly changes to black, giving your image a new and dramatic look. Finally, it's time to save your work. Head over to File again and click on Save As. You can choose the file format that best suits your needs, whether that's a JPEG for general use or a PSD if you want to retain all the layer data for future edits. Once you're satisfied with your options, click Save and your newly edited image is ready to go. And there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you've successfully added a stunning black background to your image in Adobe Photoshop. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to try this technique on various photos to hone your skills. Happy editing!